with the start of motocross in about a month. A lot of the big guys are going to be coming back from their injuries in supercross. And one of the biggest, Jett Lawrence, we may have just gotten an update about. This coming from Monday night's Pulp MX show, where Darren Lawrence called in. And, well, we have a few quotes from him. So we may actually see Lawrence at Paula. That sounds to be kind of the way. With a quote, the first one saying, quote, testing was today for the first time, just going through checking out some stuff of the hard parts and different things that we had for the first round of Supercross. And I'm reading this directly, so if it's a little weird, that's how it's written. Just trying to get our head around that stuff. Paulo, as long as everything goes according to plan, same as SMX last year. With Jett, it was just like, hey Jett, let's get in there, let's cut our teeth. If we get top 5, we're doing well. Let's go find our groove, and he came out in there and did what we thought he could do. Now, obviously, this is good news. If you want the best product, the best championship, the best racing, you're going to want all of the best guys. And that includes his brother too, but with Jett being the championship winner or, the championship contender pretty much every round or every season so far, you want him back. You want the best guys racing all the time against each other for the best TV production, the best championship, the best, entertainment value for the people who go and watch it. And I don't know, this is going to be exciting for me at least. And he continued to say, so Paula, the same thing, same theory. Hey mate, crack a start, ride at your own pace. Let's just get some points. Just be blessed that we're actually in there because his body, his numbers are good. The kid just heals fast. He's coming along really, really good, but obviously still putting the brakes on a little bit. Don't rush it, mate, because he's determined as ever to get back there, And I mean, yes, he's young. He's going to heal faster than somebody, let's say Eli Tomac, who not by any means heals slow, but at 20 years old, 21 years old, he's going to be, recovery time is going to be a lot better than most people's. And it's just going to be exciting. I'm fully ready for motocross to start. I'm fully ready for all the people that were injured to come back racing. You got Prado back on the bike. You got Jett and Hunter Lawrence coming back. Tomac, who knows if he's back on the bike riding too. So you're going to have a lot of the big names, the factory guys back on the bikes, back racing. And we've got, what is this? It's April 16th right now. So you're talking a little over a month for these guys to get back on the bike, train, figure out their setups, get back to race speed, race conditioning, race health, and Paula, who knows? This could be, I mean, the amount of people that are on factory bikes and big names this year, this could be a huge thing. Obviously, I don't think Roxon's racing outdoors, but that's not new. He hasn't in a few years, and I don't know. I'm excited about this. Hopefully, this is true. Hopefully, he can come back for Paula and be in the championship run. Because if you miss, the first round or 2 rounds or whatever it is, you're kind of mathematically already eliminated. Being that much of a point disadvantage already is huge. So again, even if he's not full health, full speed, whatever, if he can come back and, like you said, grab some points, just be out there and, getting back into the swing of things, it's going to be good. And I'm excited. But that's where I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. You excited to see these guys outdoors? Are you going to any of the rounds? Who do you think wins the title? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.